I'm Sarah, and I'm going to give a quick overview of the neuron. This is a neuron, one of the billions of the nerve cells found in the brain. Neurons help us think, move, and understand the world by sending messages to one another. A neuron has dendrites, which are thin, branch-like parts that extend from the cell body or soma. The soma here contains the DNA and RNA, which keeps the neuron healthy and functioning. At the base of the soma is the axon hillock, where signals from the dendrites are collected and prepared to travel down the neuron. The long tail part of the neuron is called the axon. It carries messages away from the soma towards the end of the neuron, called the synapse, so this area. And the axon is covered by the myelin sheath, these little purple things. They act as insulators to help the electrical signal move quickly and efficiently. The nodes of the Ranvier are the small gaps here, which allows the signal to jump along the axon, speeding up communication. When the signal reaches the end of the axon, so this area, it arrives at the synapse, the connection point between two neurons. Between the axon terminal of one neuron and the dendrite of the next is the tiny space called the synaptic cleft. The electrical message turns into a chemical one here. Neurotransmitters are released into the cleft and travel across the space to the next neuron. When the neurotransmitters reach the other side, they attach to the receptors or dendrites of the next neuron. This can either cause the next neuron to send its own signal, excitatory, or prevent it from firing, inhibitory. This entire process happens in just milliseconds, allowing billions of neurons to communicate constantly, enabling us to think, feel, move, and respond to the world around us. That is my video. Hope you enjoyed.